Mastering the dry brush technique in art. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through various lenses. Today, we're exploring a term that's not just a linguistic journey but a visual delight as well: the dry brush technique. This method is not only popular among artists but also serves as a great example of how specific phrases in English capture unique concepts and practices. So, let's unravel the beauty and application of this technique together. The dry brush technique is a painting method where an artist uses a brush that is relatively dry but still holds paint, to create a strong, textured effect that isn't achievable with wet paint. Unlike traditional painting methods that often involve diluting paint with water or another medium, dry brushing involves minimal paint on a dry brush to leave a light, feathery stroke on the canvas. This technique is especially popular in watercolor and acrylic painting, but can also be applied in various other mediums. Let's break down the phrase for a moment. The word dry, in this context, emphasizes the lack of liquid or moisture in the brush, contrary to what we might expect in painting. Brush, of course, refers to the tool used by painters. When combined, dry brush specifically denotes a method where the brush's dryness plays a crucial role in achieving the desired effect on the painting surface. This technique allows for the creation of texture and depth that wet paint cannot replicate, making it a cherished method among artists for adding fine details and highlights. Artists use the dry brush technique for various purposes. It's ideal for creating textures such as hair, fur, or the roughness of a tree bark. The technique is also excellent for highlighting the topmost layers of a texture or adding fine details that require a delicate touch. Since the paint dries quickly, it allows for rapid layering of colors without the risk of them blending undesirably. The key to mastering this technique lies in the artist's ability to control the amount of paint on the brush and the pressure applied during strokes. Understanding the dry brush technique is not just for aspiring artists but also for English language learners interested in art vocabulary and cultural practices. It's a perfect example of how specific terms can encapsulate entire concepts and techniques within a field. Learning about such phrases enhances vocabulary, cultural appreciation, and provides insights into the practices and challenges within art disciplines. We hope this exploration of the dry brush technique has not only broadened your English vocabulary but also inspired an appreciation for the nuances of painting techniques. Whether you're an art enthusiast or a language learner, there's always something fascinating about discovering the depth of meaning behind specific phrases and how they reflect the creativity and precision of human endeavors. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening topics in our future videos.